Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ACA-Ali Coaching Academy and ETEA in my pocket. Today we are with the new lecture from the verbs and tenses. The third question or third kind of MCQ in the ETEA is from verbs and tenses. So if you know about the verbs and tenses, so you can do a lot of MCQs in the ETEA paper. In 2017, 8 questions, 8 MCQs from the verbs and tenses were there in the ETEA medical paper. So we're going to talk about the 2017 ETEA medical MCQs. Today we have a very small video with 3 MCQs, and then we're gonna make a very long video after this with a lot of MCQs, or all the MCQs from verbs and tenses will be covered. The first MCQ is, I enjoy dash tennis. The first option is, I enjoy to play tennis, or I enjoy plays tennis, or I enjoy playing tennis, or I enjoy to playing tennis. Which option is the correct one? So if you say I enjoy to play, the to play is the wrong one. I mean, this is not the correct one. I enjoy. You cannot write S with a verb when there is I, we, you, they, or plural. So with plural, no S, therefore I enjoy plays is not the correct one. The option number D, where to is there, this is also the incorrect, and we have the only correct option is I enjoy playing tennis. Question number 2 is the path dash paved, so we're able to walk through the path. There is we. This is so we. So we were able to walk through the path. The path dash paved is the third form of the verb. So we were able to walk through, we were able to walk through the path. Now you have to check this third form of the verb and then this were. It means this is in the past. So you will use the past tense. Now the path was paved, the path had been paved, so we were able to walk through the path. The path has been paved, so we were able to walk through the path, or the path being paved, so we were able to walk through the path. Now you have to check it critically. If there is this, the second part of this sentence is in the past with the were, so we were able to walk through. So will there be was? No, mistake. The path was, there'll be no was, no being. Now we have two options. Has been is in the present tense, present perfect indefinite, present perfect continuous tense, and this is in the past tense. This is the past. It means we have this option, the correct option. So the path had been paved, so we were able to walk through the path. You understand this? Okay, let's move to the third MCQ. This says, choose the correct sentence. We need to just say about the correct sentence. So this is all about the verbs and the tenses. The village folk were present. The village folk were present. B. The village folk was present. The village folks were present. The village folks was present. Now, this is all about, this whole sentence is all about this folk were. If you know about the reality of this folk were, it means you can say the correct sentence. The village folk were present. Folk. So do you know about the meaning of the folk? If you know about the folk, what F-O-L-K, the folk is, then you can know the meaning of this whole sentence. The village folk was present. No, this is not was. This is actually the plural one. The village folk. The village folks were present. But the folk is itself a plural, right? The village folk were present. The village folks was present. No, this was and this folks, this is wrong. This folks in this sentence is wrong. This was is wrong, and we have the only correct option. The village folk were present. So in these sentences, you just need to see the verbs, the verb, and the tense. So if you talk about the folk, what folk is, you should know about the folk. As we talk about the people in English, people. So the people is actually many men or women are there. We say a lot of people. So we say there are people. So like that we have the village folk were present. So therefore, what about we talk about the folk? Folk is also for like the second word for the people, or for the humans, or the persons, or individuals, or the morals. So what this is for the people. The village people were present. Like you just convert this folk to people, so you'll understand. It means that the village people were present. So then you'll never say the village people was present, or the village peoples were or was present. Like this will be the incorrect one, right? So I enjoy playing tennis. The path had been paved, so we were able to walk through the path. And third one is the village folk were present. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, this short video, and we're gonna make a longer video with a lot of MCQs, a lot of concepts, and a lot of new tricks. So see you soon.